Oh, 10x on Chrysler time. Yo, this is the time ago. Finally, we have it. 10x Topslot. Let's go. Let's make the new highest win. Come on.
Cash out now with a 10. Crazy, I know, right?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Maybe we need to do the lucky dance. Maybe. Let's see if that will work. So, no more bats. Do you believe in a power like that? Welcome newcomers, Now Pachinko is multiplied by 4 times. We got Pachinko with 4x wheel Topslot multiplier. Juicy Pachinko bonus. Let's see what we can get. Nice 7x, 10x, 15, 20, 40, 50 double. Now let's multiply everything by 4 times. So yeah, right now max multiplier is 200x. Hello?
This is the amount of money issued 88,302 euros.
Flyer just crossed.
1 1 5 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 2. Man, nonsense. You haven't eaten anything or what? Oh, I eat. Yes, I haven't eaten anything actually because I got no money. Cashan gets a 5x from the top slot. Come on, come on, you got this, you got this, you got this. Thank you so much. Oh, hey, you win some, you lose some, and this time we won some, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look. Please let that 500 appear. Okay, quite a few 100x's, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's apply that 5x Topslot, baby. Hey, apply that 5x Topslot, baby. Boonga. Nice. 500x max multiplier, and we got quite a few 500x's, ladies and gentlemen. We got quite a few 500x's, and I do believe that you are the ones, all of you are going to hit it. Like each and every single one of you are going to hit the 500x. Trust. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your time to make a decision. Let me choose my target. Tick. I chose mine, you choose yours. Which one are you gonna vote for, yeah? Don't worry, if you don't choose, it's gonna choose automatically for you, so it don't matter. Let's have a...
This is the amount of money issued 30,432 euros.
Here, and there, and here. 91 players got the 500x, 1,037 total winners. Congratulations, all of you. 10%, okay, 9% of the players got the 100x. I would say, 500. 35x, I got the baddest. Hey, 35 still ain't bad if you think about it. Okay, more top slot, more bonus, thank you. No way, Brian. Let's go, and you're the one who said we wait.
I'll be gone. We have a new tiger. KRC, my tiger. Good to see, my friend.
Ooh.
Look. One tiger emoji, and what is the result, huh? It's time to go crazy, my friends. Loco jungle, loco tiger. Bonus. Tess says, good luck, guys. What about the Tigers, Tess? What about the Tigers? We have decision for you to choose blue, green, and yellow choices. And we have a triple. Oh, this will be a juicy one. 200x and a triple on the wheel. A very big wheel behind me, bigger than me. Vamos! Enjoy. The yellow says we're not done. Make it double. We want double. We will oblige. 400x is the prime target for the yellow gang. Ooh, yellow gang, you're going crazy. I love it. I love it.
Ooh, triple. That's a triple. Holy moly. Calm down.
Calm down, yellow. You're going too crazy. 1,200x for the yellow. Oh, boom, boom.
This is the amount of money issued 60,285 euros.
Impressive.
That's good, baby. That's good. 300x for the yellow gang. What a surprise. Surprise, yellow. Holy moly, what a bonus. Now that's
not gonna ever stop. So what is winner with a free X? Literally, what they were going to do with us. Better bracket than a dead one. Well, I don't know. Missing me? That sounds like the UK is the worst location to grow children. Not because, you know, because you cannot trust your grandparents? I mean, come on. Ooh, nice. Well, cash in, 5x, plus no. Okay, I'm gonna say personally, I am a highly functioning psychopath. If I choose between dead or a brat, well, I choose the other one. Huh. 500x is the biggest one, and of course, good wins all over the place. Best of luck. Give me a coup. Okay, what is crazy time, not Monopoly? Also, guys, can only do English. Stop laughing. Oh, I can't. I like having fun. Guys, always remember, if you're not having fun here, take a break. Especially if you're not having much luck. Although Mod is now giving the information from Crazy Time. Maybe a small mix.
This is the amount of money issued 33,470 euros.
So, there's the 500. Congratulations, back to the wheel. You give a good bonus, I miss. Bingo. I call people like you sacrifices. Let me explain. If you miss out somehow, like go deposit, go withdraw, get disconnected, or just your bet got denied, in any way that you miss a bet and then we get a bonus, those people are sacrifices. Because we sacrifice them.
okay, good. Of course, that's some good ones. Where did you get that info and why? Why should it be banned? So we should have the very best of the luck, everyone. Yeah, more best now. Let's see what do we get. Ooh, 10x on Crazy Time. Yo, this is the moment we're all be waiting for. This is the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, Crazy Time 10x. That's crazy. My heart almost stopped. Wow. And Jay wrote no Crazy Time. Well, here it is. Let's go through the door. This is crazy. Wow. Welcome everyone to Crazy Time with a 10x Topslot. Yo, when was the last time I had a big top slot on Crazy Time? A long time ago. Finally, we have it. 10x top slot. Let's go. Let's make the new highest win. Come on, let's be the coin flip. Holy moly, I don't even know how to be more excited. That's crazy. Ooh, okay, green, blue, yellow, pick your colors and let the hot pick choose for you. Okay, let's all calm down. Calm down, pick peacefully, you know. Let the hot pick choose for you. And well, let's hope for a good win, okay? Max multiplier 2000x, that's crazy. Good luck everyone, let's do this.
This is the amount of money issued 91,805 euros.
100x for the green, 100x for the yellow, and 500x for the blue. Only the 2,000 and 1,000 was so close. But still a good win. A good win, I would say. But no, I'm still sad. There were so big wins. Oh no. Well, congratulations everyone. Let's place your bets and let's go for another round. Hope a good one, of course. 20x top slot? No, it was a 10x top slot. I made the 500x for the blue. That's awesome. The 100s. You like it one? Well, me, that's a 10.
Woo! Let's go to coin flip. Alright, so welcome everyone. Three on blue and 9 on red. That's it. Awesome. That is 9 next on red. Congratulations to all the winners for this round. The top winners now are Sharon, Hassan, and Jalpo. So welcome to you. Making decisions, everyone. And hopefully we'll see some back-to-back bonuses now. Now with a 10x top slot. Woohoo! Yes, everyone! Cash hunt to the 10x. Wow, let's go! I hope you're excited for some big wins. The highest multiplier that I see is 100. That's times everything by 10. Crazy, I know, right? And the highest is 1000x. Let's shuffle all the multipliers now. The shuffling is done. Making decisions. Try to find the 1000x multiplier, or you can use auto pick instead. Ready?
This is the amount of money issued 90,572 euros.
See all the winners for this round. Let's go back. Did people get the 1,000? Yes! Jalpo, well done, your 1,000 eggs. We have Hassan 99 getting 500. Place your bets, that was brilliant. Look at us. We didn't beat the big win, but we did match it. So that is brilliant.
Good luck.
Hey, crazy time with the 5x. Please? Stop, crazy time. Yoo-hoo! Yay! Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Knock, knock, who is there? Crazy time. Welcome! 5x from the wheel. Okie dokie, let's go! Hoping for some doubles. Come on. Multiple 5x. Beautiful. From the top slot, let's go. Choosing. Green, blue, yellow. Decision time gonna be yours right now. I'm over here. Last seconds. 3, 2, 1. Decision time is over. 1000X is the biggest. Good luck to you. Penguins! Yay!
This is the amount of money issued for 142,358 euros.
I don't see my vision. Oh, okay. Hi! 3,742 winnings enjoyed. You're winning. That's nice. Okay, let's spin. Okay, that was a nice one. Yeah! That's okay. Good luck to you. Being emotional, sorry guys. I'm just happy. I'm just really happy. Now just give us 500 as the max multiplier, please. Thank you. Wait, is it? Boom, baby! 500x times 5, 2,500x. We just beat today's highest spin, babies. And there's 35x's as well there somewhere. So, yeah? I don't remember. Anyways, let's shuffle them up. 2,500x is there. Amazing. Right, carousel snaps and you choose the symbol you want to aim for. Symbols and multipliers are not related to each other. And if you can't pick intent, then I'll pick will do it for you. Okay? But there's a bunch of goodies there. There's 2,500x, 375x, you know? and a bunch of other stuff. That's good. We got something. We got something. Right. Whew. Right, well, last seconds. And let's just see where that 2,500.
This is the amount of money issued 361,980 euros.
Oh, there. And this time, 44 of you got 2,500.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.